Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I am going to present two of the Mayer's multimedia principles, contiguity principles. So let's begin. There are two principles, spatial contiguity principle and temporal contiguity principle. Both of these aim in reducing the extraneous processing in the mind of the student. We'll study each of them one by one, and we'll study along with a worked out example to understand their application as well. So let's begin with the spatial contiguity principle. According to this principle, the related words and the pictures should be placed near to each other on the multimedia screen rather than far. Because if you keep the text such as labels or captions away from the graphic, it will make your learner make an extra effort to align the meaning of the text and the image. They have to move their eyes back and forth on the screen to make connection between the word and the pictures, which is a waste of the cognitive processing, which is an extraneous processing. So let's see how we can help in this case. So this is a structure of coronavirus in which the labeling is done with ABCD and the key is written on the bottom of the slide. This causes an extra effort on the part of the learner to make connections between the written words and the visuals. Instead of this, to manage this design flaw, we can write the exact labeling close to the graphics. This will, according to the eye tracking studies, this makes it easier for the learner to build connections between the corresponding word and the graphics. So this is the spatial contiguity principle. Now let's move on to the temporal contiguity principle. As the name suggests, the temporal refers to the time. So according to this, the corresponding words and the pictures should be given at the same time, concurrently, simultaneously. What happens is that sometimes we tell the verbally the whole process in which there are multiple steps, then we present the graphics. Now, working memory is limited to hold the verbal message till the visual message comes. Instead of that, we should focus that we are placing the words and the pictures in the same time rather than successively. So let's see how we can apply this. So this is the virus entry with membrane fusion in which we have provided the visuals, however, and then we provide the written text. How it thus follows the spatial contiguity principle, however, the visuals and the corresponding steps are not presented at the same time. We can make this slide better by applying the temporal contiguity principle in which each step is provided with the corresponding visuals at the same time, like this, and this. This helps the learner in making connections between the verbal and the visual mental models in his mind. So this is the application of the temporal contiguity principle. Summarizing both of these principles, spatial contiguity principle makes that the corresponding words and the picture should be placed near, and the temporal contiguity principle, the corresponding words and pictures should be presented simultaneously. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.